Now let us proceed to lesson 2, the module 3. Let us proceed to lesson 2, the students' home project. This is intended to some students. So, as the student as digital owners, as the quality of ignoring software increases as you are exposed to online learning, it is proper you ask would be a future facilitator of learning is to explore the different principles of a website and principles and guidelines to help your future students to be a bit of a writer in digital. So there are a lot of websites that can help students to promote their writing skills. Language learning via web publishing, language skills can fully develop the following students to communicate through the internet. There are two ways to contribute any ready-made websites that are meant to invite and encourage contributors to share their authored stories, research, commentaries, and the like websites. And the second, the students may pwede po mag-create ang students o mga page para ilang i-post or ilang i-promote ang ilang nagawa ng mga stories sa social para ilang ma-publish. To help you submit your author product in existing website, you can search for these sites that are designed to highlight students, researchers, narratives, stories, literary works, and other academic writings. There are following examples for existing websites that are inspired students to submit their products. So, first is the Diary Project. So, in the Diary Project, it is the websites where the students can able to share their daily diaries with different tips required by the website. Some of the tips or topics can be on school or the activities, relationship, family, and managing stress, and others. So, sa diary project na website, pwede ang mga students kailang i-share ang ilang mga kaagi or mga pagsulat ng mga diaries sa ilang kinaguri na ilang i-post or i-publish sa diary project na websites. So, second is the Cyber Kit. The Cyber Kit is the mission of Cyber Kit is to provide a voice for young people in the internet. It accomplishes this by publishing original creative work by kids ages of 7 to 12. So, kuan siya pang elementary, naman sa grade 7 to 12. For the students, here are the some points of Cyber Kids. So, individuals consider decide that a publish with specialized stories, articles, and posts that are funny. So, magamit sa students and Cyber Kids. The third one was the Global Shoot and Lab. So, this website was Bobby Summit Learning was able to present samples of online publishing tools for a bit writer. Students who are looking for an online publishing tools to publish their work. So, any global show it tell is one siya kung naay gusto students na yung mga words kay pwede niya gamiton ang global show na websites. Lion and Dave. Letter D, the Alphabet. The Alphabet is a beautiful tool. It was founded in 2011 on the heels of what we once called the death of the world. So, as you can imagine, it is highly visual. It is drag and drop editor for creating beautiful online publications. So, if ang student ganahan siya nga mas gwapa ang iyang i-present na presentation is they can able to use Alphabet to make her presentation beautiful and more inspired, inspired ang mga agents. Letter A, the Calameo. The Calameo website, it is useful if the students, if the teacher should give a task to students to make magazines. So Calameo is useful for making magazines. Calameo is the tool to use. It's an online magazine publishing tool that will let you add multimedia and personal branding to anything you create. One and more all integrate with Calameo. This is a great tool for learning about design, layout for magazines. So, importante yung Calameo nga gawin para mas ikot ang gamon na magazine. Dahil pag-apoy ko ganyan mga brochures, flyers, and etc. Nga ito ay ganyan related sa pagkakapo ng magazines. Letter F, the Take-A-Talk. The Take-A-Talk website is a creative publishing book for young children to the elementary grade level to read 6 kids will love Take-A-Talk. They can use it to publish digital and printed books of all kinds. Take-A-Talk was designed especially for the P6 classroom. It's media literacy oriented and aligned with common core. Kids can upload their photos. So sa Take-A-Talk, ang mga students pwede sila maka-upload sa ilang photos, sa ilang mga drawings, video naman. And then, mga templates for classroom lessons. Whereas, maka-inspire ko dyan sa mga students na mag-drawing agad sila para ilang i-run sa Take-A-Talk. Letter J, the Storybird. This website, it is the online publishing book brings your words and global artists work together in a basic storybook. Be sure to check out the section for educators. Storybird is at work in hundreds of thousands of classrooms all over the world. It's free for educators now and forever. Students can create storybooks, long chapter books, and poetry books with Storybird. So sa Storybird, pwede po magawa ang students o mga story, mga poetry na pwede nilang i-publish or i-post nila sa Storybird na website. This is a great way to use creativity for raising money. Pwede po ka mag-post o ka ng mga story na yung and then if one siya, kanang nindot siya nga pagka-story, daghan ang maka-views. Pwede ka maka-gain of money. Wow, sa Storybird. Yes. Letter H, Lolo. The Lolo website was the first players that offered reviews online. Publishing feature, these published themselves in 2014. They're still going strong. projects of manipulation This include print, e-books, photo books, and calendars. So, pwede po dahil siya sa mga books, sa mga e-books, photo books, sa Google websites. Check out this article about sa dulo kay pwede mag-one ka sa magbasa ka ng mga e-books, lataw sa mga photo books, sa also calendars. And that's it.
Let's continue. Flipchart is a flip book reader. It is doubled as holding a PDF file. This is a simple way to create and share a publication that has a meaningful and free. So next is Window. Online journaling is the focus of Window. An important journaling is a quick writing and self-reflective exercise. So with Window Classroom, you can create class journals that can be graded and matched. You can also submit diary entries by email. B. Enhancing language skills through digital learning. One of the most exciting ICT-based language tasks that can be done to develop all the core factual skills to create digital stories. This language translates the demands of today's learner, living in a rapidly world with opportunities and challenges that are different from the ones any of the previous generations grew up with. So the following are some of the existing certainly posted listed.
Hardcore na sila.
Number 1 is Stellar. This is a free storytelling application developed by Omula, which lets you create photo and video stories with an emphasize on design. Stellar focuses on telling a story through picture and text. Simple yet structured layout should allow even a beginner to produce a digital standard of work. So Stellar is one. Pwede ka mag-create photo and stories, video stories. So next is Adobe Spark Page. Adobe Spark Page is a free online way to page builder, coding or design skills within. Create your own beautiful web story using video, pictures, and text. The templates and layout options available are very modern and are designed to present your work in an elegant and engaging way, focusing on visual content. So ang Adobe Spark Page is a free online way builder. So hindi na siya pinaglan o or design skills. Okay, nasa siya ay walaan. So templates. Next is video. Video, this has the goal of bringing education training to digital facts to a broader global audience, students, and consumers. With videos, one make video editing available for everyone, and to make it possible for friends, family, teachers, students, and business small and large to create beautiful videos that will be inspired. So, ang video kay mo i-try so, manalila na kayo sa small business or small business, pwede siya ka na mag-create ka o video na pang pag-engage sa mga mamalitay. So, number 4 is Pamphlet. Pamphlet and iPad is a tool to capture and organize your ideas. Student platform. Example, use Pamphlet for learning. Used as a mind map. It helps students state and learn story. Students can capture facts, post, and images to instruct or learn stories. Next is Storyboard. Storyboard not only gives you the simple tools to create books in minutes, the application lets you discover an endless library of visuals, pictures, books, and poetry as well. Storyboard is one big visual story in sequence. The side mission that we are a storytelling community rather than an application. For them, it's more about creating a creative world where anyone can tell their story as crazy as they can. So, in Storyboard, kaya pwede rin mga doon story, kawalan ko, may like na kapalong yung story share ng mga So if you're not familiar with this so book creator is an open-ended book creation app and leverages creativity, create your digital resources for have a student take the race. Combine text, image, audio, video to create interactive stories, digital tutorial, research journals, poetry books, at science books. So kaning book creator type, pwede ka din makagawa o mga story or mga video ninyo, pwede ninyo siya i-add din sa book creator. So this is a digital tool that enables students to create and read multimodal digital books. It is an ideal tool for enhancing student engagement, story creation, and multimedia design. So kapag gusto mong gumawa na sa libro, di na ka mato sa book creator o mag-create ka o ka ng story mo o kamaagi sa pagsulat o pag-create. So it's perceived as enhancing language skills through email activities. So kabalo naman tayo kung saan yung email. So through email are very good activities to develop language skills. Through some email activities that can be facilitated by a teacher, a student are given opportunity to practice and demonstrate their reading and writing skills. So kung ikaw mag-send ka sa saan mo ka, for example, si Rose mag-send o email si Juan, Serena, so ma-enhance ko ang writing skills ni Juan, ni Rose, then Serena po ang iyang reading skills kaya kung niya o panambasa ang message ni Rose para maayos sa board. So let's proceed to mental activities. This is the most common activities called electronic pen pals or e-pals. Students can practice their writing communication skills, can become aware of other cultures and practice more language skills. So pen pal activities refers to a various ways in which individuals engage communication and exchange letter or message with someone who lives in different location, often in another country. Pen pal so kaning pan ang pen pal activities kay pwede po ka dali mga chat-chat ka saan pala ay bitaw Deon, pwede po ka dali nga makapalo ka o mga wikang banyaga. So, ito siya. So, pen pal activities can be done through the following: Biloga, EPALS, and Panico. So, Biloga is a web-based educational platform that connects classrooms around the world. It is a digital platform providing teachers and students with the ability to communicate and collaborate with their peers locally and globally. So, murag niya kung siya o ganap itong meet o ganap itong mag-interact ang kuan o pero kung siya ka na pwede ka makikuan sa globally and locally. So, EPALS. So EPALS is so ang EPALS ay kuha ni siya kanang
Pinakayaman nito ang pag-aaral dito. Teachers can connect their classes with other classes around the world. So pari-parihan po siya sa Biluga who are interested in collaboration on projects together. It allows students throughout the world to connect and exchange information with one another via email and online conferencing. So the next is Anigo. It is also a digital video-based platform that allows teachers and students to connect class to class with other across the globe. So next is peer-to-peer
Ma'am Jimmy Sil.
It relies on close interaction between two or more students with learners taking responsibility for aspects of teaching and for evaluating their success. So next is the dramatic work. So dramatic work here the mga plays, mga opera. Kabalo ko na white out sa mga plays, no? Mga opera. So next the pantomime and choreography. So next the pantomime and choreographic work. So pantomime includes here mga ballet, mga modern dance, mga jazz dance, and mime works, and mga itanana, mga jazz dance. So next is the pictorial graphic and sculpture works. So kani siya, may sampulan ka ng mga photographs, or mga poster, like ka ng mga picture dito sa lahat na wala information sa kanang owner. So pwede ka makasuhan na ng Harvard. Pero dapat daw wala information, no? Kaya like, parihan ang magpunta pa nga. So next is the motion pictures and other visual works. So kanil, includes here ka ng mga video, ikaw, ng mga video, kapagpao na to, owner, sound recording. So, ang example lang yung sound recording, so yun mga recording ng mga music, then architectural work. So, mga blueprint na mga blueprint, because mag-building, mag-baon pa, wala information.
18 manigod. Si 18 speak manigod.
Final states that copyright is important for multi-language and publishers. So, first, the original multimedia works are protected by copyright. The Copyright Act inclusive rights provision gives developers and publishers the right to control and authorize exploitation of their work. So, kani siya, ang mga owner, na siya katungkod na i-monitor ang
So next, the multimedia works that created by providing content, music, text, graphics, illustrations, photographs, software that is created under copyright law, words and publishers must avoid infringement, infringing copyrights owned by others. Now let's proceed to the So next, let's proceed to the Now let's proceed to the Anti-Bullying Act of 2013. The Public Act number 10627, otherwise known as the Anti-Bullying Act of 2013 of the Philippines, directs all elementary and secondary schools to adopt policies to address the existence of bullying in their respective institutions. So aware naman kita nga kaning bullying is dili jud siya maayo sa naiang sa kanila. Nag-protect sa mga students na nag-bully na students sa kanang mga tao na tawag ipag-bully. Kanang naman different types of kanang bullying, like kanang mga cyberbullying, mga physical bullying, So the next one is the Republic Act of 101751. This is known as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, declaring a policy that states that the state recognize the vital role of information and communication industries such as content production, telecommunication, broadcasting, electronic commerce, and data processing in the nation's overall social and economic development. The state also recognized the importance of providing an environment conducive to the development, acceleration, and national application and exploitation of information and communication technology or ICT to attain free, easy, and intelligible access to change and or delivery of information, and the need to protect and safeguard the integrity of computer and communication systems, networks, and databases, and the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information and data stored therein from all forms of misuse, abuse, and illegal access by making punishable under the law such conduct or conduct in the light. The state shall adopt sufficient powers to effectively prevent the combat such offences by facilitating their development, investigation, and prosecution to both domestic and international levels, and by providing arrangement for fast and reliable international operations. So, manang cybercrime, so manang